To make a candle with the Living Good Candle Company Echo Candle Making Kit, clean out an old candle jar or use a heat-resistant jar for your candle. Measure the opening diameter and divide by 1.5 to get the maximum amount of wicks that can be used. The kit comes with a guide. For a 4-inch opening, you can use up to 3 wicks. Put double-sided adhesive on the bottom of the wick and stick the wick to the bottom of the jar. You can melt the wax in a microwave or in warm water. For a microwave, open the wax pouch and put the pouch in the microwave. Heat for 2 to 2.5 minutes on high. For warm water, leave the pouch sealed and set it in a bowl of warm water for about 20 to 25 minutes until the wax melts. Once the wax is melted inside the pouch, let it set for 5 to 10 minutes. You want the wax to be about 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Slowly pour the wax into your jar. Use a wick holder to keep the wick in place as the wax cools. Allow the wax to cool for 24 hours. Remove the wick holder, then trim the wick down to 1/4 inch above the wax before using the candle. And I'll put a link to a video showing how to remove candle wax from an old candle jar so it can be reused.